Good morning, students. Now we'll start chapter number 8 of English reading book. So, chapter name is hobbies. So, what are hobbies? Hobbies are something we do in our free time. Okay, we should not waste our time watching TVs. We should do some useful things. So, hobbies are some useful things. So, in this chapter, we'll see some of the example of hobbies and where we can learn them and what precautions we need to take before doing hobbies. So let's start chapter. Ashish has just finished his final exams. So there is one boy Ashish and he has just finished his final exams. He has nothing to do. Okay, after the exam he has nothing to do. He sits and watches television all the day. His mother sees this. Okay, he watches TV all the day and his mother sees this. Mother says, Asu, now stop watching TV. Don't you have anything else to do? I think you should do something useful. So Ashish says, but I am getting bored. Mama, I cannot think of anything else. Their mother says, why don't you take up a hobby? A hobby? What's that? So the mother says a hobby is something you do in your free time and it would be a great way to spend your holidays. It will keep you busy and it will be fun too because you can do many things you enjoy doing. Ashish say, what hobbies can I choose from mummy? So here you can see he watches TV all the day in his holidays. Their mother says, there are so many hobbies you can choose from drawing, painting, singing, dancing, sport, building models, playing musical instruments, swimming, hiking, collecting things, and a lot more. Ashish says, collecting things. What kind of things do people collect? Their mother says, anything and everything. Stamps, shells, shells मतलब जो सिप होते हैं, coins. Some people connect coins like very old coins, 10 year, 100 year old coins, 200 year old coins. People collect old music record. Okay, people collect old music record. Some collect old movies also, cars and thousands other things. Okay, thousands people can collect thousands things are collected by people around the world. Of course, stamp collecting called philately. Okay, what is philately? Collection of stamps. Collecting of stamp is called philately. It still remains a popular hobby in this world. Okay, so many people collect a stamp. Similarly, coin collecting called numismatic is yet another interesting hobby. These hobbies help you to learn about different countries. Students, what are stamp? Like suppose there's 150th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so government of India will release stamp on Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, special stamp. Similarly, now 75th Independence Day is coming. Okay, very soon 75th Independence Day will come. So government of India will again release some special stamp. Similarly, government releases many stamp on many events, many personality, many places. Okay, you can visit, you can see stamp in government site. Okay, postalgovernment.com, you can see postal government. Ashish, then Ashish says, interesting, are there other hobbies? Okay, so his mother has told him, then you can do painting, drawing, okay, sports, like that. And her mother has his mother has also told, then you can collect many other things. Then he is asking about more hobbies. Okay, here you can see gardening and painting, bird watching. So his mother says there are many more: gardening, photography, fishing, scrapbooking, reading books, to name a few. Okay, reading books are also hobbies. Quite often, what starts off as a hobby develops into a more serious study or even a profession. Maybe suppose your hobby is bird watching. Maybe in future you will become bird specialist. Suppose your hobby is painting. Maybe in future you will become painter. Suppose you like gardening. Maybe in future you will become specialist in plants. Okay, you will know different type of plants. So it is saying that quite often what starts off as a hobby develops into a more serious study or even a profession. For example, a child who is interested in gardening may later on become interested in botany. Botany is what is botany? Study of plants. A child who likes collecting stamps and coins may want to study history. Okay, students. A child who builds model may become an engineer. A child who does photography may in later life wants to take it up as a profession. Okay. Suppose you like stamps, so you may become you may become interested in history. If you like building models, you may become engineer. So something you start less can become bigger. Mummy, Kiran was talking about bird watching. Is it a hobby too? Then mummy says yes. Bird watching is a fantastic hobby. All you need is a pair of binoculars, a notebook, a pencil, and a bird guide. You can do bird watching from the comfort of your home by using a bird feeder. Okay, you can also go out into the woods. Woods means there are lots of trees there. Okay, woods or the nearby fields and look for them. When you spot a bird, means when you see a bird, look at it with your binoculars. Get out your bird guide and look it up to identify the bird you see. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to spot a bird, you have to see bird, and then you have to see their qualities, and then you read from your book. Okay, then you note it down in your notebook, and then you have to note in your notebook what are its qualities. And do you know one who studies bird are called ornithologist? Okay, students, this type of question comes in GK, like one who studies botany is called what, one who studies plant are called what, one who teaches are called what, like that. Oh, I see. I think there are so many hobbies. How should I choose the right hobby? Then mother says, this is a good question. You first need to decide what you enjoy doing. Once you decide on a hobby, find out whether the things need are easily available. So you must choose a hobby of which materials are easily available. Suppose you choose a hobby of making movies, okay, but you don't have camera. So how will you make movies if you don't have camera? Okay, for example, it's no use if you take up gardening when there is no garden around. Suppose you want gardening as a hobby, but you don't have garden. Okay, and your family does not have garden or your friends does not have garden. So you cannot practice photography without a camera. Okay, students, you can play musical instruments if you don't have one. Okay, you can also not play musical, you cannot play guitar if you don't have guitar. Okay, so it is waste of time just watching in YouTube about guitar. First you should have guitar. If you want to learn bicycle or if you want to learn car, you must have car first. Hobbies can sometimes be very expensive, so think well before you choose a hobby. Okay, so you must first think which hobby you want. First you see things are available or not, is it costly or not. Okay, Ashish, mummy, Rahul says he learned many things at the summer camp this year. Mummy says yes, in summer camp they teach you swimming, okay, swimming, music, drawing, singing, and dancing. There are also classes where they teach you how to do magic tricks and how to make flowers, bags, vases, greeting cards, candles, bookmarks, and other things. Means all the crafting things like making flower is a craft, making bags, vases, greeting cards, they're all craft. So attending a summer camp can also help you to develop a hobby. All this sounds very interesting. I will soon decide on a hobby. So Ashish now has become very interesting in hobbies. He does not want to waste time in watching movies. Mother says that's good. You will learn how to entertain yourself. You will be a lot more confident. So students, if you choose a hobby, you can entertain yourself. Plus, you will become more confident. You will have many interesting things to talk about, and that would making many more new friends. So you can make new friends, you will become confident, you will learn new things. So if you just to waste your time in movies or YouTubes, okay, you will not become confident, you will not make friends, okay, you will become very boreous person. So Ashish says, thank you mummy, I am sure I won't get bored anymore, I will have many things to do. So now mummy says, now turn off the TV. Your cycle is lying in the garbage. So your cycle is in the garbage. Go and clean your cycle and go go have fun and do some exercise too. So cycling is also a hobby. Okay, if you have free time, you can do cycling also. So students, let's see some of the new words. Hiking means a long walk. Okay, hiking means a long walk. Suppose you have free time, so you go for walking. Expensive means costly, very costly. Binoculars means an instrument for both eyes to look at distant objects. Spot means see. Profession means job. Okay, what is your profession means what is your job. Suppose I say what is your profession, then he says my profession is gardening, means he does gardening job. Spot means see. Fantastic means wonderful. Botany means study of plants. And bird feeder means used to feed birds. Okay, bird feeder is used to feed birds. Now students, this true false and MCQ questions means choose the correct options you have to do, and I have provided you answer of these questions. First question is, what is a hobby? So a hobby is something you do in your free time. What things do people collect? So people collect stamps, people collect coins, people collect cells, old music records, music, and even cars. Okay, when I was child, I used to collect small cars. They used to come in 10 rupees. So I had many cars, like 10 or 8 cars. Why should we have hobbies? Hobbies help us to spend our time usefully. They make us confident and help us win friends. My hobby is collecting movies. Okay, I have more than 4,000 Hollywood movies. My hobby is collecting movies. What is bird watching? Bird watching is a hobby where one watches birds, their habits, features, and studies them. Okay, so you watch bird, you observe their habit means what they do, what are its qualities means features, and then you study them from your books and note down. How is summer camp useful? In a camp we can learn a lot of things like swimming, music, dancing, drawing, doing tricks like that. Last question. Why should you think well before you choose a hobby? We must think well before we choose a hobby because we must enjoy doing it. Okay, we just don't choose hobby, we should enjoy it, and the things we need must be easily available. Okay, we should choose hobby that's material is easily available, and we choose hobby that is enjoyable. Okay, so that's all, students. In next we'll see other things of this chapter. See you. Okay, bye, see you next time.